So here we have the severe life-threatening asthma, which we clicked from here. And it is for users under the age of 15 years and under. The source is from Waitemata District Health Board, and this is the workflow of the treatment. And so it starts off with this blue-colored medications, and it says, as it progresses, these are all the good responses for the user. So as it progresses, it gets into a darker stage with magnesium sulfate and aminophylline, and it says here, if it still doesn't work, you would have to go and consult the PICU. And the green one is, if it's improving, change to this via the spacer. Generally, that's a UI design where green means good to go. And this was by the emergency department, and here's the review date every single time it's updated. Thank you.